This quick and tasty dessert, no-cook Kaju Katli, is perfect for Raksha Bandhan. Packed with traditional Indian flavors, it's rich, flavorful and super easy to make. Plus, no cooking needed, which is perfect when you're busy. Let's get started by preparing our saffron milk. Take 2 tablespoons of warm milk and add about 18 to 20 crushed saffron strands. Stir it well and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This will give our katli a nice and golden color and a wonderful flavor. Next, we are going to make our cashew base. Take about 1.5 cups of raw unsalted cashews. Add them to a blender and grind them into a fine powder. Make sure to pulse the cashews in short bursts so they don't turn into a paste. We want the powder to be smooth for the best texture. Now put the powdered cashews in a large mixing bowl. You can also sift it for a smoother consistency. Then add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix them all together until they are well combined. After that, pour in saffron-infused milk we prepared earlier. This will help the mixture stick together and add a lovely saffron flavor. Give it a mix. Add a few drops of rose extract to give it a nice floral touch, but this is optional. Mix it again. And then knead the mixture into a smooth dough. If it feels dry, don't worry. You can add a few more drops of milk. Lastly, add a teaspoon of ghee to make it rich and smooth. Knead it again. Now grease 2 pieces of parchment paper with a little ghee. Put the dough on one piece and flatten it slightly with your hands. Then cover it with the second piece of greased parchment. Roll the dough using a rolling pin. We need it to be about 1/4 inch thick. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. To make it festive, I'm garnishing the top with edible silver leaf. You can also use gold leaf. Cut the roll sheet into diamond or square shapes. You can enjoy it right away or let them sit for about 2 hours to warm up. Your no-cook Kesar Kaju Katli is ready to enjoy. It's great for festivals or any time you are craving something sweet. If you are not eating them right away, store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. If you like this recipe, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more easy and delicious treats. Have a sweet and happy Raksha Bandhan. See you next time.